So you don't have your name tag yet?
The best part of the annual conference is the networking, learning, and let's face it, it's a fun time.
Good day in the rain.
Yeah, and we're on the website.
The best part for me about conferences is actually getting to use the things we've seen being developed for over 1 or 2 years.
CURT has their owner safety blueprints, some tools on subcontractor management and other.
My favorite part of annual conference in general is just how much I learn when I'm here. Just getting to take back really exciting information that I can then share with my clients and use to kind of further our best practices as we approach how we work in the business.
The banquet's always a great time. It's just a well put on conference altogether. It's one of the best that I've gotten to experience.
It's really a great opportunity to come together and just learn how to do your job better.